Roots Foundation, incorporated in conjunction with the City of Miramar Commissioner Maxwell Chambers, presents the 2023 Marcus Garvey Roots Extravaganza, celebrating Marcus Garvey's 136th birthday anniversary.
When that, brother?
Thursday, August 17th.
What time?
From 7 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Where?
Miramar Multi-Service Center, 6700 Miramar Parkway, Miramar, Florida. Guest speaker, UNIA International Organizer, Muarima Kama. Cultural entertainment featuring the Salsa African Dance Troupe, Drumming Fingers, and singer Joseph Benaya. Corporate and media partners, Tomlinson Dental Care, Goldson Spinal Centers, Vico,
MrInternetSystems.com, A1 Kitchen and Exhaust Services, Kuya,
Carl's Seafood, Talawa, Roots Tonic,
The Roots Magazine, IraTimes.com,
Wiz Communications,
The Mikey B Radio Show,
Island Beat Marketing,
and Wild Child Production.
More info, call 754-264-2205. Streaming live at www.irelivestream.com. Under the distinguished patronage of the Jamaican Consul General, Mr. Oliver Meir. It's free!
Marcus Garvey words come to pass.
Really, of course.
Marcus Garvey, Marcus.